In this video, I'm going to show you how you can invest in SpaceX. So real quick, SpaceX designs and manufactures and launches advanced rockets and spacecrafts. The founder and CEO is Elon Musk, and it was founded in 2002. Their mission is to make humanity multi-planetary, but they are doing cool stuff, and they have things like Starlink, which is high-speed internet around the world. Now, you can't directly go on an app like Robinhood, Cash App, or Public and invest in SpaceX, but you can buy other funds that own SpaceX stock. So I'm going to show you one right now. It's called DXYZ, the Destiny Tech 100. So this is basically a fund that owns a bunch of tech stocks that you can buy just like a normal stock. And you can see this is their current portfolio, and 36% of their portfolio is SpaceX. Here's some of the other ones. And you can see part of their portfolio is Public, which is a stock and investing app. So you can actually join Public. I think if you use my link, you'll get $5 free. We can go to DXYZ stock. The current share price is $12.86. The current market cap is 139 million. And to buy this, you can do like market or limit orders. I'll show you just a market order. I'll do shares and I'll buy one share. Click buy now. It's going to give me my order details and submit order. So it should be all set. Let's go back to my portfolio here. I just use this to buy random stuff and test it out. So I have one share of the Destiny Tech 100 stock, which owns SpaceX stock. So I've indirectly invested in SpaceX. And you can also use this strategy if you want to invest in any of these other companies. It's gonna kind of be the same exact thing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.